What's going on, everybody? Had to go in here and get my my GoPro case. It is the snow out here. I think this is the most snow it's snowed since I've been here. Now, I don't know if y'all can see that very well, but you can see we're at the snow blower out here, and the snow, like, this is like crazy, yo. Just look at that. But see, some of that's like blown over. I went down there, it wasn't that bad. I was thinking about riding my dirt bike today. I was like, man, but I might wait a little bit. But see, the more I wait, it's gonna melt and get all the, I wanted to ride the dirt bike track and do it, but I should have wore a bandana. This snow is actually hard to walk through. Man, this would be perfect for snowboarding, dude. Dang. I used to snowboard all the time with my friends out there. Windy. Got my face on, keeping me nice and warm, even though I got the dirt bike gloves. I got dirt bike gloves, man. Don't know what happened to my glove. I got two left hands on my gloves. My track is just covered. I don't even know where it's like, where the turn begins, man. It's freaking crazy. There's so much snow. We probably got a foot. Oh man, this is crazy. I'm just gonna walk around and see how actually deep it is. I have snow boots on too. Good thing I have my snowboard boots. Oh God, this is cray. This is cray. I got my purple camo, my Glamafrost. Dang, I was going on a dirt bike, but this is deep. I need that four-wheeler, nigga. But yeah, this is cold. Actually, it's not that cold, but it could be worse. Could be worse. This is a lot of snow. Like, this is the most it snowed. This is crazy. I don't even want to walk. Like, walking in this is like, I want to try to go to the pond. Pond's some yellow color. Weird. Oh man. Dang, you can't even like see the sun. That's all snow coming down. That's crazy. I think that's the sun. Yeah, sun. It's only 1 o'clock, so yeah, that's the sun. Whoa, man. The snow. Like my goggles. These are my new goggles. My new dirt bike goggles. They're lit. Fucking love these goggles, man. Trying to walk in my exact foot spots. My foot spots. There you go, Chris. Foot spots. Yeah. 2016 can't speak. Trying to walk in my footprints. I think I like foot spots better. Hell yeah. I think I should go this way. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna let the video go. If I ride, this is just gonna go onto it. So here goes me riding. If I ride, if I don't, it's just a normal video. My hands are fucking freezing. These dirt bike gloves, they're not good for the snow. Alright, y'all. Snow! Snow, you're a pain in my butt, but you're also fun to play in. I'm just saying. Oh man. It's like being stuck in the mud. It sucks. Oh man, bike. How you like it? Is it fun? I don't know. Oh, nigga. Oh shit, Dick! Oh shit! I just said shit, Dick. What I almost fell. Did not mean to say that. I want to go in my backyard, but I don't want to get stuck. Cause that would suck. Yo, mouse! What? Look at that little mouse. He is booking it. Oh, he went for a stew. Oh, he's alive. He hit markered it. He's mad. Where you going, mouse? Huh. Look like he close to his mouth. Oh, goodbye. These are too damn deep. Oh my god, what am I gonna do to get out of here? Oh my god. This is gonna suck. Well, the snow adventure, I wouldn't call it a fail yet. Let's go see if we can get out of here. Shit out of my back. So good. Oh my god. Oh, thumbnail. Oh, thumbnail. Look at that. Bike standing up by itself. Oh man. Taking my goggles off of this one. This is about to be fun. Oh god. Good game. I'm so tired. I don't remember doing it. It's like I just ran a marathon. A marathon. gotta go down. Oh, so cold. My hands are cold. Not really, but I'm wearing 2 gloves.